Hello everybody, I hope you're well. Well, today's video I'm gonna share with you how I photograph sunset. The weather was incredible today, it was very hot. But as soon as I got here in Portsea, look at this incredible location. The rain starts, it's coming. But you know, the dawn is the most important thing. So hopefully I can get to the location and share some tips with you. Hopefully I can get some gap in the sky with the clouds so you guys understand how I compose my shots, how I photograph. But you know, a funny thing is, actually it's not funny thing, but interesting thing for you if you don't find the motivation to photograph. I'll share with you. Today I left the home about 1 o'clock. So I jump on the train, I got a bus to Sorrento, and then I got another bus to Portsea, and then I walked about 2.5 kilometers to get to the location. And it's about 7 o'clock. I'm just on time for the sunset. And you know, you feel disappointed, the shower and all those things, but you know, guys, at the end of the day, everything makes sense. Look at the location I'm in right now. I have the London Bridge here, I have the sun there, the clouds. I can see some birds. I'm gonna jump on the fence here. I don't know if I can do that, but I've been here before, so I know this location. I know how I can get safely down there, which is good. And yeah, I'm gonna go down there, guys, and I'm just gonna share with you, try to get some composition and some tips on how I photograph sunset. So let's go. I see you guys out there. What an incredible location. Wow. Ooh, this is amazing. It's so beautiful. I probably can see a composition here. Wow, this is incredible.
Call me out, tiger. Call me out, why don't you love? Lift me up higher above the clouds, won't you love? When the scenery is right, go right into proud. I wanna fall deep within my outdated doubts. Don't leave me hanging just 'cause I'm too proud. Dress me down. Not that old, yet I'm far too young to not stand my ground.
But you know, it's very hard to photograph. I was expecting to teach you guys some technique on how I photograph sunset, but it's been very hard. Raining, I was down there. I have to keep my raincoat, my camera's getting wet. It's fun. It's cool. But you know, the first thing I can say for you guys is if you have a subject like this, it's big. Try to focus on the foreground. Go.
Let go, rain. It's not your song to sing no more. Goodbye, blame. Weights can't lift you up, but you can find a way to drop them. Can you feel the wind? Say you do, it's how it all begins. Then comes reason, then purpose. Well, you will find your way. In the meantime, may the sun bless you with its rays. It's how we learn, has to hurt, it has to hurt. Every single turn.